Well, it is Wednesday and I am back in the office. I was in Delaware County, Pennsylvania this morning. I was in Cape May County, New Jersey yesterday, and coming back from a little bit of a longer holiday weekend than normal. I was in upstate Pennsylvania with my kids doing skiing. I didn't ski, but they did. They had a good time the first time they were skiing. So hopefully we'll be going back very soon. With that said, I did come out with a blog article today regarding gun sales and transfers in Pennsylvania. Now, Pennsylvania, unlike New Jersey, doesn't have many mandatory minimum sentencing requirements when it comes to illegal guns and firearms. New Jersey, as you recall from my previous blog articles and my book on criminal defense in New Jersey does have the Graves Act, which requires a 42-month state mandatory minimum prison sentence if you are convicted of an illegal firearms offense, whether it be unlawful possession or unlawful possession or possession of a firearm for an unlawful use. Both of those carry with them mandatory minimum sentencing, in addition to other penalties that you could face. Now, Pennsylvania, they don't have the mandatory minimum sentencing for unlawful possession, but they do have mandatory minimum sentencing, a 5-year mandatory for straw purchases and transfers, not for first offenses, but for second offenses. And this law, as I detail in the article that I put out, that I'll link in a blog article link to this video, it's named after an officer who was unfortunately killed by someone who had taken that gun from another person. It was given to that person through a straw purchase. A person went into a gun store, bought the gun for somebody else. Normally, it's a situation where the person who receives that gun is not legally able to purchase a gun for whatever reason. It's usually a prior felony conviction. They go out and use that gun in most situations, studies show, for unlawful purposes. So this particular law in Pennsylvania details a mandatory minimum sentencing. So check out that blog article. It's a very important article. Our law firm deals with a lot of illegal gun and firearm cases in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. In Pennsylvania, see, the most common offenses that we find ourselves dealing with are possession of a firearm by a prohibited person, unlawful possession because of a failure to obtain a permit to carry. Remember, the fact that you can own a gun in Pennsylvania doesn't mean you have the right to carry a gun in the Commonwealth. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is a great website. All of my videos are there. There's over 250 videos in addition to my blog, which is updated on a weekly basis. And every Friday we come out with our weekly e-update, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. All of our blog articles and my videos and my books are based on questions that we receive from clients and their families during the course of our representation of them. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Wednesday. It is wonderful weather outside, and I'll talk to you all very soon.